teachers won the international award, one from the public school and one from the private school from the Philippines. In the Talk With Me by Kuya Jerry, he interviews and talks about the journey of the teachers.
Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir. Once again, congratulations to the both of you. So, how would you describe the expectations of society from the teachers as professionals?
Thank you. Society expects teachers to be competent, ethical, and accountable. They are expected to continually improve through lifelong learnings and to show dedication to our students' growth. Being professional means preparing lessons well, managing the classroom effectively, and following ethical standards in teaching.
That's absolutely right. So, how about the individuals? What does society expect from teachers' personality?
Teachers as individuals, teachers are seen as role models. People look up to us. So we must show integrity, empathy, and also cultural sensitivity. We should treat everyone with respect and understanding, especially since our students came from different backgrounds.
Ma'am, you mentioned about the competencies. Can you explain the key professional competencies that teachers should have?
Yes, according to the standard like the PPSE or the Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers, we need to master areas such as content knowledge, pedagogy, learning environment management, assessment, and community involvement. These competencies helps us teach effectively and continuously grow in our profession.
I have a question. How do these competencies help teachers in real life?
They help us become more effective and reflective teachers. For example, by improving our teaching methods, we make lessons more engaging. Being accountable help us evaluate our performance. And by connecting with the community, we make learning more meaningful for our students.
Great. So, can you give a real or simple example of applying those competencies?
For instance, when a teacher uses differentiated instruction to address students' diverse needs, that shows competence and empathy. Or when a teacher attends seminars and trainings, that shows lifelong learnings and professional growth.
Indeed, I believe that the teacher is the backbone of the education, also the role model of our society. So, how do you relate these demands to the real-world teaching context here in our country, in the Philippines?
So in the Philippines, teachers face many challenges, large classes, limited resources, but we still strive to meet the society's expectations. We do our best to uphold the values of commitment, integrity, and also service because teaching isn't just a job, it's a calling to shape the nation's future.
Certainly. This last question, you can answer this based on your experience as a professional teacher. So, what is the lessons that you learned as a professional teacher?
For us teachers, the lesson that we have learned is in terms of creating an environment where our students may feel safe, secure, supported, and also treated fairly without bias. Also, in addition, in terms of preparing our lessons, we should know how to deal with our students, how to deal with different backgrounds of our students, and know how to meet their individual needs.
And teachers should reflect on the teaching strategies and the way they teach. Also, as a professional, we should follow the code of ethics for us to be a great teachers and to be a great role models for them.
Absolutely. You deserve the award that you get because you are not just teaching, you are inspiring the people, especially to our inspired future educators. Once again, thank you, Ma'am and Sir, for joining us and sharing your meaningful thoughts to our Deep in Talk with
Kuya Jerry!